BMW X5 E70. How to remove the reverse camera. I've already opened up it, so I'll show you how did I do it. So in reverse order I'll put it back, and that should explain how did I take it out. Okay, so the reason I've removed this is because it's a little rusty on the edges, and also the picture is a little blurred. Plus the parking aid lines, they are also getting flickery. So first you remove the connection, which is very easy. Just press this. You can see there's a spring clip here, which you press down and pull this out from here. That's the place. Okay, so that's the connection. And then you see these two bluish white, because of the blue grease, plastic clips. Just open them gently with the help of plastic tool like this. Okay, while you're pushing on the camera, I'll show you how. Okay, so I hope my picture is in place. You check. Yep, right. It's a little sunny, pardon for that. So I'm gonna put this in there. Hope you're able to see it. Okay, so this goes in there. Open it a bit while you push the camera with the other hand from the back side. So push the camera in. Here we go. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. Open them gently while you push from behind. And operation. Okay, so that's the camera. That's the connection. So I've already cleaned it with the contact cleaner. Apparently there does not seem to be any ingress of water, but there's some moisture in there when you spray the contact cleaner on it. If you spray a lot of contact cleaner, it will cool it down. When it cools down, then the water will condense inside, if there's any. So there's hardly any water in there on the lens. Right, so put it back. So when you put it back, it's gonna go like this, okay, facing down, and this connection should come in front of you. Okay, so it's going to be facing up because the lid is other way around now. Okay, so let me set up the camera again. Okay, camera action. Right, so you might be able to see it now better than before. Okay, so I'm just going to put it back in like this. Okay, so the lens is facing up. Okay, and there's a groove in the back here. This groove is towards you. Okay, and gently push it in. You hear the click on both sides. Okay, so that's it. Click and click. So it's clicked on both sides. Okay, so it's sitting in there. Okay, you can check from the other side. Little edge is on the cut there. Okay, and you push it in. It's not going in. It's not sitting properly. Okay, next is to connect the wire. So connection of the wire is simple. Sorry, I don't have any assistant at the moment. All the kids are gone with their mom somewhere. Okay. Right. So this is going in again. Clip side on the clip there. Okay, so I'm going to spray some contact cleaner into it. Okay, so that's going to remove any dirt or grease, whatever. So I put some grease in there, if you can see. Okay, wherever there was rust, I've cleaned it with WD-40 contact cleaner and then some grease. Okay, seems dry. Put it back in. Push it gently till you hear the click. Okay, I heard the click. You did too. So that's in. Now, to put the cover back, this is the emergency release. If if you want to open it from outside, because everything is going to go in the cover. Now next is to put the cover back. So I have to remove the lights. Okay, these lights from the cover. Okay, this cover on here, so I've cleaned them as well with the contact cleaner, and you will also see the number plate lights from here. These two lights, they are in there. Okay, so you could try to pull them out without removing this back cover. They're also held by a couple of plastic clips on either side horizontally. Okay, now how to put it back. Put the camera in the right place so that you can see everything. Okay, so there's another cover there. There are about four pieces total. One piece is here, up here, then another piece, the middle, third, and the fourth one is the whole thing here. So side pieces over here, this plastic, the metal clip. This metal clip is gonna sit in there. In that hole there, it has to pass through this hole. See this hole there on the rear back cover, this hole, that's where that clip is going to go in. So I'm going to set these two first. Okay, they're set. It's going to be a little difficult job here now, so let's set the camera here. I'm going to start with one end, that end first. Okay. So this is going to go in there first. Okay. And then afterwards is simply push in clips, 4 plus 4, 8 clips here, white clips. Okay. So they're going to go in the respective holes. Right. I set off one. Bingo, that's in. One is in. Do the same thing on the other side. Set to go in. So this one all set. And set. Sweet. So both of them are just punched in. This thing is going to come out. Where else you release? It's going to come out here. Let's see if you can see it. Yep. So that's going to come out. Nice and sweet on each hole. Get a gentle punch. Lights next. Simple push. Yes, the light is just simple push off the plug in, then plug goes in. This bit goes in. Same on the other side. That's the light. Simple push in. Goes in. Okay. This one goes in. Right. Then there were 2 screws. One screw there. Okay, that's just simple Phillips screws, 2 screws. They go in, and that's it. So simple Phillips screw. Right, that's the second screw. Put this in. That's it. Put these small plastic covers on top of the screw. Okay. Spray it with a little contact cleaner. That's it. Once you spray that, it gets cold sometimes, and there is a layer. So clean it with the soft, clean cloth. Right. Let's see if there's been any change now. Okay, so moment of truth. Start the car. Check the camera. What are you doing, little buddy? Alright. Yeah. Bye bye.
We all confirm that adults who then kind of sign into these use AJK and other things.
There's a menu.
And
I just press the
it's not that it's
marking
intended
control.
Negatively, but
EDC.
it's not
Wow,
really going to
good
deal with
camera.
those young people on social
So
networking
clean.
sites, and it then has these
Can
problematic
you even
effects
read the
that
number
then
plate of the car
teenagers
behind?
and adults who are then going to start
Nothing,
having to have these
nothing.
conversations as well.
Right, so
Alistair?
it's very clean. It's arrow is still clean. It's not flickering, it's very clean. I think I should do the same. Shut the radio, please. Right, I think I should do the same with the wing cameras. Right, so wing cameras are a little blurry, but this one is very clean now. So I'm gonna try to spray some WD-40 on them, and then the contact cleaner. So basically you spray it a lot, okay, and it gets cold in the water. It's not too bad actually. I can see my view one. Okay, thank you very much, and please leave comments if you want to suggest something, or if you have other questions related to this. Thank you very much. Bye now.